Discover the natural marvel of the bumblebee bat, the world's smallest mammal. This tiny creature challenges our perceptions of size and vitality in the animal kingdom. Meanwhile, witness the spectacular phenomenon of lightning during volcanic eruptions. These electric displays, caused by static from ash and particles, showcase an astonishing combination of Earth's power and beauty. Join us as we delve into these lesser-known aspects of our planet to uncover its hidden wonders. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to Cool Fact Craze for more. Stay curious.